Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix iOS 18 stuck on preparing update on iPhone and iPad. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution number 1. Enable and disable airplane mode. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, enable airplane mode. Then wait for few seconds and disable it. Solution number 2. Turn off VPN. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on General. On the General page, scroll down, tap VPN and Device Management. Tap on VPN. Turn off VPN. Solution number 3. Reset network setting. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on General. Scroll down, tap Transfer Reset iPhone. Tap Reset Network Setting. Enter your phone passcode. Again reset network setting in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Thanks for watching this video.